it all. Two birds on a wire. One tries to fly away, and the other watches him close from the wire. He says he wants to as well, but he is a liar.